Cats were represented in social and religious practices of ancient Egypt for more than 3,000 years. Several ancient Egyptian deities were depicted and sculptured with cat-like heads such as Mafdet, Bastet, and Sekhmet, representing justice, fertility, and power, respectively. Cats were praised for killing venomous snakes and protecting the pharaoh since at least the first dynasty of Egypt. Skeletal remains of cats were found among funerary goods dating to the 12th dynasty. The protective function of cats is indicated in the Book of the Dead, where a cat represents Ra and the benefits of the sun for life.
Many of you might have heard that a YouTuber named Casual Graphic posted a video about the insane plot armor of cats. This video got so many views and likes that so many people started reacting on it. That video was hard to believe for anyone how cats can be so capable. Even he used a term that was the most broken animal on earth. You can check out the video, but I also own many cats and I know they are adorable and cuddling. Sometimes, not always. But today I learned the true nature of my sweet cats. Yeah, he really showing his true colors now. This proves they do belong in Egypt.